Pay attention. If you are an EFT practitioner, a healer, a psychic, a coach, and you've been feeling abandoned by spirit, listen up. This is for you. Hi, I'm Rebecca Marina, EFT expert, psychic channel healer. And a lot of my healer friends have been coming to me and saying, Rebecca, I feel so discouraged. It feels like nothing I'm doing is working. What can happen is we can feel abandoned by spirit. Like what? You don't like me anymore? Or I'm here trying to do my soul purpose? Maybe you feel like you lost your mojo. Did spirit just forget about me? And maybe you're under, can I get an amen on this one? Financial stress. Maybe all the spillover from feeling scared. You can feel scared about your gifts, about the financial situation. Just because you're a healer doesn't mean you don't have the same emotions that you're trying to help all your clients with. Maybe you feel like your techniques are falling flat, like what used to work like gangbusters doesn't work anymore. And maybe, this is a big one, you don't have very many clients. Maybe they're not as many as you used to have. Maybe they're not showing up for appointments. I made a video about that because that chaps my hiney. And maybe all this is causing you some what? Relationship struggles. Anytime you're under stress and self-doubt, it bleeds over. Now stay tuned because we're going to fully address the problem, and then we're going to do some spiritual work and some EFT tapping around these issues. Stay tuned. Here's what you need to know. You're not alone. Many gifted healers are in the exact same spot as you are right now. And doesn't mean you've lost your gifts. It means the energy of the world is shifting. We're being invited to grow. And you might say, Rebecca, what direction shall I grow at? Sometimes when you're at a crossroads, it's really good to just be very still and hear that still small voice within. There is a way forward. Spirit hasn't left you, even though it can feel that way. It's calling you perhaps in a deeper alignment, or to do something maybe your heart's always wanted to do, but you didn't think it was spiritual enough. And sometimes when it seems the darkest, you know that old saying, it's just before the dawn. The darkest is just before the dawn. If this is resonating with you, I'd love to support you with some EFT tapping. And I recommend that you get over to EFT Expert and download some of my wonderful, wonderful accesses, especially the 10 things you never say if you want to be perceived as credible. And you'll be on my mailing list, and I'll let you know when Spirit guides me to teach an entire class on this entire subject and perhaps do some channeling for you about your next best step forward. I think it's time to do some measuring and some tapping. On a scale of 1 to 10, which of those things I mentioned feels the strongest for you? 10 is, oh, it's pretty cotton picking bad. The relationship struggles, I lost my mojo struggle, I am having financial stress, I feel overwhelmed with the new technology, I don't know what to do next. The old stuff I did, which I did with all my heart, is just not working. So scale of 1 to 10, how high is your distress level? It's so important that we get a measurement. So let's do some tapping. But first, I'd like to do a little energy clearing with the governing meridian. I want you to think about all the negative stuff in your life. And imagine it's tied up in a big bundle and it's sitting on top of your head, and you're just going to swipe. Swiping all the negative stuff. This is a governing meridian having to do with the acupressure points. All the negative stuff I know about. Release, release, release. How's about all the negative stuff affecting you that you don't know about? All the negative stuff I don't even know about. All the aberrant thoughts going on in my thought space. Here's something. All the aberrant thoughts other people are sending towards me. All the chaos energies around me. Clear it. clear it, boom. Oh wait, I have a magic wand sometimes I like to use. So guess what I found? I found my magic wand, that governing meridian clearing, which my friend Lana Nelson taught me, author of the Food Codes, is marvelous to get you started with the clearing. Let's do some tapping now, my friends. Here we go on the side of the hand. Follow after me. I feel abandoned by spirit. And I'm a little bit pissed about that. It's okay to tap and let your aggravation out. Keep it right here. I feel like nothing is working anymore. And I'm a little bit pissed about that too. It feels so good to say what you're really thinking. I've tried so hard and it still feels flat. And I'm definitely pissed about that. There's something about allowing your anger to come out. You start beating yourself harder and harder. We're keeping it here. This is self-sabotage. We're keeping it here. Self-sabotage. I am so discouraged. I feel like throwing in the towel. And I'm pissed about that too. I'm starting to feel better. And I haven't done the whole round. What if I've really lost my gifts? I would be pissed about that. What if spirits left me behind? I'd be double pissed about that. There is heavy fear in my body, and I feel the weight of discouragement. Take a deep breath in and out. I do feel abandoned. We're going to do a whole round on the negative. I feel like nothing's working anymore. I've tried so hard. It still falls flat. And I am pissed about that. What if I really have lost my gifts? Could you feel the fear in the pit of your stomach on that one? I'm just going to stop here. Personally, I never fear that I've lost my gifts. I feel that there's something I don't know. I feel that spirit is trying to open another door and I just don't see it yet. And I'm very psychic. I can tell you all day long what's going on with you. Sometimes for myself, it takes a little longer. I'm not sure about that, but I know it's true. Okay, so where were we? Oh, we were here. What if I am abandoned? I feel abandoned. I feel abandoned. The weight of discouragement is on my body. I like saying out loud that I've been trying so hard, and damn it, nothing seems to be working. Can you just get some good vibrations going over that? So now we've done the negative, and I'll bet you if you tune in, your intensity rating is lower. Now this is like a mini workshop. It's not a 2-minute deal. If you're already bored, save it and come back. However, if you're in this predicament I'm talking about, I'll bet you're not bored. You want to know what's going to make me feel better. I have a new EFT technique that I call the Love It technique. And that's when you attract things from the love in your heart. It is good to tap on the negative first. So it would go something like this. And we can start here. I love it when things turn around for me. See, wouldn't you love to see that? It's a different energy. I love it when I have more clients. We all love that. I love it when my clients pay me well. Yes. I love it when I know I'm living my purpose. Still here. I love it when I know I'm doing good in the world. Yes, yes, yes. What else would you love? I love it when my finances get so much better. I love it when my relationships get easier. Take a deep breath in and out. I love it when I have confidence in my gifts. I love it when I know I am loved by my divine. Top of the head. I love it when things get better for me. Beginning of the eyebrow. I love it when my finances improve. You're repeating after me. I love it when things are getting better. I love it when my vibrations are raised higher. And I release the fear of being abandoned. We're going to tap on this fear spot a minute. I love it when I release the fear of being homeless. Because your mind can go down that road. Can I get an amen on that one? I love it when I feel uplifted. And I love it when I uplift others. I'm feeling so much better myself. I love it when I release the shame of feeling like a failure. I love it when I release the embarrassment of feeling like a failure. I love it when I embrace my gifts. I love it when I know things are getting better. Take a deep breath in and out. Now, take another rating, and I imagine it's gone down quite a bit now. As we were tapping, I bet you were thinking of other words. And I always tell my clients, whenever we're doing a tapping sequence, if some other words or thoughts come up for you, let's tap on those. So, tap, tap, tap. Now, here's what I offer you without shame. If you get on my mailing list, I'll let you know when I'm teaching a class that's going to address something you need. And I do private sessions using my psychic gifts, my tapping gifts, and past life regression, whatever other gifts Spirit says we need to get you the very best results in a session. I teach a brand of EFT I call forensic EFT because it combines the very best of psychic awareness, and I know how to use brain architecture to awaken the parts within your brain to make you freaking good psychically aware. And I've been doing tapping since way back when with Gary Craig. I'm Rebecca Marina, EFT expert. Would you share this video with someone you know could be feeling discouraged? And will you let me know in the comments how you are feeling and what else you might like to have a video about? I love doing video, and I love bringing you this healing night or day on my YouTube channel. God bless. Mwah. Oh, and one more fairy godmother way.